In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable location in Google Chrome. If you're trying to get local search results, directions, store hours, or nearby recommendations, Chrome needs permission to know your general area. I'll walk you through the quick setup and share a few tips so everything works the way you expect. Start in Google Chrome. In the top right corner of the window, click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. This opens Chrome's control center for privacy and permissions. If you want to jump straight to what you need, use the search box at the top of the settings page and type Location. That will surface the relevant controls immediately, saving you time. Next, select Site Settings. Under the Permissions section, click Location. This page is where you decide how websites can request your location. Chrome typically estimates your location using signals like Wi-Fi networks, your IP address, and when available, device sensors. Keeping this centralized makes it easy to review and adjust later. Under the Default Behavior heading, make sure the option labeled Sites Can Ask for Your Location is selected. With this setting on, when a website needs your area to show nearby results or services, you'll see a small prompt near the address bar asking if you want to allow access. You stay in control each time, and nothing is shared unless you approve it. If you previously blocked a site, that site will need your permission again before it can use your location. If things still aren't working, take a look at the blue message at the top of that location page. Sometimes you'll see a notice that says, "Location is turned off" in your Windows system preferences. Click that message to jump directly to your computer's settings and confirm the master location switch is turned on. Windows controls whether apps like Chrome can access location at all. So if it's off at the system level, Chrome can't get your area even if your browser settings look correct. Once you turn the master switch on, go back to Chrome and you're good to go. That's it. With these settings in place, Chrome can ask for your location when a site needs it, and you can allow it only when it makes sense. Remember, you can always return to the same location page in Settings to review your choices and keep your privacy exactly where you want it. Accurate local info exactly when you need it. You're all set.